What's really good, fam? It is your boy David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today we got another banger video for you guys. Right, today we're going to be throwing BMX bars on that little folding bike that we have. It is the Macwell LNE 16, I believe. It comes with a long folding stem. I ride it pretty aggressively, and I think it'll look super dope with the BMX bars. So that's what we're gonna do today. Should be pretty simple. And technically I've made this video because I've done this on a different bike. So if you guys seen that video, you don't have to watch this one. If you were interested to see how this bike looks, watch the video to the end. It's gonna be a banger. Let's get into the joint. These are the items we're gonna be using today. So we have a quill stem adapter or extender. We have the BMX stem, and then we have the BMX bars. All right, this is all used stuff. This is from my electric XP. I used to rock these bars on here. This is from my sister's bike. She currently has the folding stem on there, so we're just gonna use this for this video. And then these pedals we're gonna throw on here. I think it'll look super cool. If you guys notice, these look familiar. That's because these came off of the Ingwe when I customized it, but I ended up selling it to my neighbor George, and he completely changed the look of the bike, so he gave me all this stuff back. So we're gonna throw this stuff on there as well. We also have a little thumb throttle adapter that we can throw on there, thanks to Randy Rides. And yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I'll show you guys how to do it. All right, so first we're gonna do is take off this long folding stem. In order to do that, you need to unscrew this Allen bolt right here. So if you get to this point and you've loosened up this Allen head and the wheel is still pretty intact with the handlebars, all you gotta do is just get a little hammer and lightly tap the top of this. Now, as you guys can see, when we turn the handlebars, the wheel doesn't move. Now we're gonna slide this up and out. And now we're gonna replace it with this quill stem and this BMX stem. So all you're gonna do is just slide it right in. Boom, and then you're just gonna tighten it down. Now I'm gonna loosen up these bolts right here and put on the BMX handlebars. So I'm already noticing an issue. If you guys can tell, these BMX bars are gonna be way too low for your boy. Now this will be perfect for a little kid. So I think we're gonna add some spacers right here and slide this up a little bit. It's not gonna add like a lot to it, but I think it'll help it out a little bit. Let's see. So that's how it looks with the spacers on there. It's slightly higher. Like I said, it's not gonna make a huge difference, but that's the best we're gonna get out of this setup, okay? Let's move on to the next step, which is taking everything off of the original bars, and then we're gonna put it all on the BMX bars. Next, we're going to take off these pedals and we're going to place them with these blue pedals. I think it's going to kick off this rear brake. Check it out. It's not the same exact blue, but I think it's going to go well. And there she is, the finished product. I know this seat needs to be tilted up. I know, it looks crazy, it looks crazy. I like the blue accents with the orange. It came together quite well. I think this would be a perfect bike for like a little kid. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link in the description and your kid will have one of the coolest electric bikes out there right now. I already know I look crazy on this thing. I don't even care. That was tight. I'd rather ride it like this than the freaking long freaking giraffe neck stem. This is way better. Take it off this little jump here. Ooh. All right, so here's one last shot of the bike. Check her out. Oh yeah, she's freaking dope. Let me know what you guys thought about the bike. Let me know if you guys would do this. I know my seat is at a horrible angle, but other than that, what are we saying? What are we saying? Is this dope? Would your kid like it? I think they would. I think they would, all right? Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, deuces like that.